Do you feel like no one understands? Have you ever had a secret that you wanna hide? Somebody stole a moment that you can't get back. Do you wonder if you'll ever be the same inside? Do you feel that you're all alone, broken into pieces that you can't piece back? Somebody try to tell you that you're on your own. I know you're strong enough, cause we were built to last. I'm gonna make a mess. I know I'll heal my past. I wanna start again, cause we were built to last. I'm gonna make a mess. I know I'll heal my past. I wanna start again, cause we were built to last.
You're not alone, see a lot of people know what it's like to be so young, to have somebody do you wrong. Somebody that you trust, maybe someone that you love and spend a lifetime trying to heal up what they had done. See, there's nowhere you can run when there's nowhere you can hide, cause you're haunted by the memories that trapped up in your mind. And you blame yourself for everything and keep it on inside. When you look into the mirror and it makes you wanna cry, when you're begging on your knees with your fists up to the sky, you so angry at injustice and so desperate for reply. And just when you figure that you're right about to crash, say it with me now,
cause we were built to
see, there's
last.
people in the world that'll take your power back. Be the people who stand up and make a change that's gonna last. And take back your freedom, free yourself from your past, and mean it when you say it. Come on.
We were built to last. I'm gonna